If you have apples at home, make this simple and delicious recipe. Let's start with 2 fresh apples. Take a cutting board and cut them into delicate slices. So simple, and you can already smell the incredible aroma. Now prepare a mold. Grease it with butter, put a piece of baking paper in it and grease it again. The secret is to ensure that nothing sticks and that the cake becomes a masterpiece. Sprinkle a tablespoon of sugar on the bottom of the pan. This will create a delicious caramelized base. Now spread out the sliced apples and arrange them neatly. Let's prepare the dough. In a glass bowl, break 5 eggs and add a little vanilla. Beat everything enthusiastically until you get a homogeneous mixture full of flavor. Now it's time for the sugar. Mix in 90 grams and beat again. Sweeten up your life, eh? Melt 6 tablespoons of butter and add to the mixture. Whisk once more and feel the creamy texture forming. Add 180 grams of wheat flour and beat until well mixed. The flour will give our cake structure. Finally, add a tablespoon of yeast and mix with a spatula. This will ensure that the cake is fluffy and light. Pour the batter carefully over the apples in the mold and spread it out well. Now bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 40 minutes. And voila! Our inverted apple cake is ready. Just look at it. It made your mouth water, didn't it? If you liked this recipe and want more delicious tips, don't forget to like and follow our page. Bon appetit and see you on your next culinary adventure.